Today, we review the best 5 outdoor folding table that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Lifetime 4428 Height Adjustable Folding Utility Table. It can accommodate up to 4 or 6 adults and has 3 adjustable height settings: 24 inches, 29 inches, and 36 inches. It is very easy to set the table up as the locking hinged legs are already attached.
Number 2.
Office Star Resin Utility Folding Table. You can use this multi-purpose folding table to serve food at the campsite, display your arts and crafts at a fete, use it as a sewing workstation, or for extra storage in the garage.
Number 3.
Beckworth & Co. Smart Flip Outdoor Folding Table. The fastest outdoor tables to assemble, its unique Smart Flip one-piece design allows for a super quick setup in just 30 seconds. So you do not have to mess around with compact instructions or carry any extra parts with you.
Number 4.
Coleman Outdoor Folding Table. Assembling and disassembling the table is very easy due to the snap-together design. Ultra portable and lightweight at just 10 pounds, the table folds up to a compact 5.5 by 5.5 by 27.5 inch size, which is similar to a small fold-up camping chair.
Number 5.
GCI Outdoor Folding Camping Table. Strong, stable and lightweight, the attractive black aluminum tabletop and aluminum frame support up to 60 pounds, so you can use this table for dining or playing a game of cards around the campfire.